When a vital crusher roll shaft failed at an oil sands operation in Fort McMurray, there was no time to waste. The 30,000-pound replacement shaft traveled all the way from Germany to Houston, then swiftly made its way to our Motion Repair and Services shop in Nisku, Alberta. Over an intense 30-day shutdown, Motion's AB59 team executed 2 complete crusher roll shaft replacements, refurbishing every component with precision, from bearings to couplings, all while keeping close contact with the customer every step of the way. Innovative solutions like on-site shaft machining helped avoid costly delays, ensuring the project stayed on track. The result? Both crusher rolls were installed perfectly, keeping the operation up and running with 0 follow-up concerns, thanks to our dedicated Motion Repair and Services team. At Motion, quality, teamwork, and reliability keep your operation moving forward. Learn more today at mirepairandservices.com.